Okay. The unholy Trinity of terror has determined that I will starve. That I am not allowed to eat. I must be on a death list or something. Okay, it's like Katie Scott's incompetence and, or corruption or, just lack of total regard, just total lack of regard, willful disregard for those of us under her charge. It's like I get put down as I have no housing costs, and I lose more than $100 in benefits due to this when they went through and cut us off, to take our money to give to them illegal immigrants. And then she don't even call me back. I leave her a detailed message and stuff, and she doesn't call me back. So it's like, okay, that's like a fuck you. You're just gonna deal with it and deal with the loss and benefits, right? So then, and the whole time Michigan's taking $100 off the top of my benefits illegally, and they stole my Obama stimulus, and they've been stealing money off my wife's income tax returns every year, making her jump through hoops, file all this extra paperwork, wait, ungodly amount. Sometimes she don't get one of her checks till like August, man. It's like, for real. It's like they put her through the hoops just to get her money every year, over this bullshit. And it's like they owe me thousands of dollars. I mean, how many years have I been on SSI? Since 2007. At $100 a month that they've been taking, that's how many thousands of dollars that Michigan owes me, right? That they're not about to pay me, they're not about to give me the money they owe me, right? And then they turn around and rub salt in the wounds. It's like, and now we're gonna take another $100, even though I know that they're getting more than $50 a month for me, from the federal government. You see, it's like they're probably getting $100 easy a month, and I'm only getting like half of that. Okay, see, and it's like, so they're just gonna do this to me, determine that I'm gonna starve. So then, well, the money comes through to try and get my license back on my birthday, and I hire a lawyer, and I pay to get the urine done. The urine comes back. It's inconclusive, but it's conveniently conclusive enough that, oh, there must be marijuana in it, right? And just because I've got a medical marijuana card, you see how they witch hunt you. So it's like an inconclusive, supposedly diluted sample, which I don't know how you could dilute it from body to bottle, but okay, it's diluted, but it's conclusive that it's got marijuana in it. Ooh. So then private stuff comes up during my evaluation at Catholic Services with this freak monster bitch, Chris Seeger, who is actually such a twisted freak monster that she thinks it's her job to stop people from getting their driver's license back. So she stands outside and waits for people when they're due to come see her for an appointment for substance abuse evaluation to get their license restored. She stands outside to watch for these people to pull up so that she can put it in her report that they're driving themselves on a suspended license if they pull up driving. You see? I bet you she doesn't include it in her report if they don't pull up driving, if they had somebody drive them. You see, that's how twisted she is. She thinks it's her job to stop you from getting your license back instead of liberate you to get it back. You see? So it's like she stands out there. And then we go in, and somehow she connives me into allowing her to enter into the conversation my medical marijuana use, which that's federally protected under HIPAA laws. It's not even a relevant issue to her, you see, because it's part of my health care. But still, she manages to take it and turn it into a substance. This is like taking my pharmaceutical pills. Like if I'm on Tylenol 3s, which sometimes I am, and if I'm on Vicodin, which sometimes I am, this is like taking those and making an issue of those. Are you on prescription drugs and you take them? Oh, well, you must be a pillhead who needs to go seek therapy. You see, this is the same thing that she did, but she's too retarded to realize this. She thinks that she has legal standing to witch hunt me, to vilify my character, to assassinate my character, to just totally rape who I am. And, you know, my years of abstinence and the fact that I am an abstinent, you know, individual who values his clarity. You see, this bitch doesn't realize this about me, though. She thinks that she can take a few words that I may have said in defiance to her fucked up mentality and twist that around to make it, oh, I'm a marijuana pothead. Okay, fuck you, lady. You know, I could do everything that I said in defiance to you. I could have kids driving me around, and I could, like, be buying them off of mega amounts of weed, and there ain't shit you could do about it. As a matter of fact, if I end up doing it, you caused it, whore. Yeah, you're so smart. You're retarded, bitch. You don't understand the benefits of medical marijuana. You have no business in your job. Okay, you took something that you had no right to make an issue of as a substance, and you made it an issue. You put it in public record on my shit, where now I'll never be able to get my driver's license back if I don't go interact with criminal mentality, chemical head, fucked up motherfuckers. Fuck you. You're not doing that to me anymore. Okay, you raped my fucking character, so now all I can do is make videos about how another day got wasted thanks to Chris Seeger's retardation. What the fuck is this bitch doing with a job where she could fuck my life up this bad? You see? And then the dumb-codded bitch that supposed to be a hearing officer, I should have had a jury, man. How many years I don't have a license? They ain't got the competence to make a decision. None of them freak monsters that call themselves hearing officers in that place got the fucking sense it takes to fucking monitor fucking bubblegum patrol, bitch. They can't be trusted to clean bubblegum off the fucking sidewalk and out from underneath benches at the stadium. There's no way in fuck them bitches can be trusted to fucking goddamn make a decision about whether or not I should have a driver's license when you see the freak monster motherfuckers out there who don't give a fuck driving down the street with beer cans in their fucking lap. Goddamn, a meth lab cooking in the back. Motherfucker, immigrants can't read the goddamn signs. Driver's license. You know, it's like, how enraged am I not supposed to be about that? They ain't paid no taxes yet. How many years I paid taxes into this system? That I paid their fucking salaries. I was one of the many people that paid their salaries. And this is how I get rewarded? Your incompetence and corruption? Yeah. It's like fucking, you know, I needed, you know, proper lawyer representation for him to be like, you know, tooth and nail, now, motherfucker, you're giving him his license back because you're wrongfully fucking depriving him of it. You know, that's what I needed. I needed a real lawyer that would stop in there with fucking laws to fucking defy the fucking corrupt little bitch-ass law that they're using to do this shit with, right? Be like, no, under this new law, if it is alcohol, well, bibbity blow blah, he gets a fucking blow device in his car and he gets his license back anyway. Yeah, what happened to that? Oh, I'm the only one that doesn't get that benefit? Yeah, everybody else, they can be drunks, stone cold drunks, and they get their license back and they get fucking a little blow device in their car. Now, nothing came up about that. They just gonna flat out deny me based on health shit. Okay? This is health shit. It's federally protected under HIPAA laws. My rights are being violated right now. Another day of not having my driver's license back based on this bullshit that caused that erroneous, unlawful ruling for me not to get my driver's license back is like, you know, it's all illegal. Okay? You can't take this shit and legally use it against me. It's like it's violating my rights, my rights to privacy with my health care. Okay, it's like, you know, if I had known it, you know, you were gonna take it and twist it all around like you did because you were so badly molested as a child. Well then, goddamn bitch, you raped ass minded ass bitch, I would have told you I refused to talk about that based on the HIPAA laws. So it's like, you know, that's my legal standing on that, is that, you know, you can't take it and use it. You know, you wouldn't be able to take Tylenol 3s or fucking Vicodin or Oxycontin and tell them that I can't have my driver's license back until I go attend a fucking meeting to get off my prescription pills. So therefore you cannot legally say that I have to attend the meeting to get off medical marijuana. You retarded fucking goddamn dope man dick chugging retarded fucking goddamn rigid stick in the mud ass bitch. Corrupt monster bitch. Damn. So they determine I'm gonna starve. It's like, I try as like, because I want to be a proper representative of God, Christ, and Lucifer's conjoined end time agendas. I try not to be mean spirited and as evil as they are. I'm mean mouthed, but I'm not mean spirited like they are. I do have to reciprocate their evil with returning, magnifying and multiplying their evil and returning it upon them in the form of curses and shit. That's what I'm called upon to do. To pull rank on them and trump their abuse of man's law with proper application of God's law upon them. You see, because they indiscriminately do this, so they have no regard. They didn't bother to check and see if I'm one of God's end time elect before they decided to do this to me my whole life. And they've been doing it to me my whole life. It's not like this is just something that recently happened. The offenses happened when I was a teenager. I haven't had a driver's license in 32 years. I'm 50 years old now. This is supposed to be the year that it all changes for me. I get off SSI, I get back working, I start paying taxes, I make as much in a week as y'all motherfuckers are giving me in a month. It's like, this shit is not right, okay? You have no right to stop this flow. This positive flow. I was recovering. You're fucking with my health. My blood pressure shot back up. My health level is declining with every day that they do this to me. They're psychologically damaging me, which is fucking affecting my health. It's tearing my health down. That it's like, you know how people can get chronic fatigue syndrome from fighting unwinnable battles. It's like, dude, I'm for real. They want to keep me on SSI the rest of my life. But they don't want to treat me right on SSI. Like, hey, they're giving me back my money that they took from me. Sometimes $140-something a week. Going into just FICA. Right. Yeah, now you want to act like I'm the rapist. It's like, shit. Who don't want to let me get my license back and be productive, be equal to other men out there who are not my equals because they're drunken pieces of shit? Huh? Y'all don't want to let me work and pay taxes. Y'all don't want to let me be productive. It's y'all evil. It's like there ain't one fucking judge in Michigan that ain't a corrupt little cursed little bitch as long as he's allowing this shit to happen. All he needs is one circuit court judge ruling. One judge to say, no, fuck you, you can't do this to him no more. He gets a breathalyzer thing in his car like everybody else. He gets his license back. And you'll see I'll never not be able to drive because I don't allow nobody that smells like alcohol around me. If you smell like alcohol, fuck you. That's why my brothers don't hang with me. I don't want that little drunken little fuck around me. You see? I don't want nobody that they gotta do chemicals around me. Fuck them. I don't want nobody that they gotta abuse prescription drugs, the sorceries of man, around me. And I don't want nobody that makes people who use medical marijuana look bad because they gotta abuse it to get high. Yeah, I don't like them kind of people either. You see? Because it's not a get high thing to people who need it for pain and for rages. It's like, oh, it's so evil. But hey, how many evil things has it helped me not to do? Yeah, they've enraged me over and over and over again. You see? It's like, wow, if medical marijuana was so bad, then, and such an evil thing, then, I would have already made a news story and be in prison. It's like, it does work to help control rages. Fucking great big huge intense rages where you just want to grab somebody and rip their head off and start eating them alive. Where you're that mad, you're that angry at them, that you could eat them alive. You could eat them raw. Yeah, that's how pissed off they got you. That's how badly it affects me when people lie about me and misrepresent me. And I've been dealing with this all my life from the church and the Christian freaks in my family. And the government has been doing it to me all my life. And now it escalates, and it's even worse now. For me trying to get my license back and hiring a lawyer, it's worse now than it's ever been. I had a better chance of getting my license back 4 months ago than I do now. All thanks to these retards who have no business in the positions of power that they're in. Okay? They've got no business being there. They should not be getting paid to do what they've done to me. Okay? Somebody needs to fire everybody involved with me not having a driver's license today. For real. That's the reality.